don't have much time. We have to grab that picture. Look at this, guys.
Hello, welcome to Tel Aviv.
Thank you. Bye.
Et ensuite jusqu'à l'arrêt complet de l'appareil devant l'arrêt au car et jusqu'à ce que le signal lumineux de ceinture soit éteint. Assurez-vous d'apporter tous vos effets personnels avec vous en quittant l'appareil.
And hello YouTubers! We just got to the Crowne Plaza, city center of Tel Aviv, and this is the first time we get to this hotel, but it is our second trip back to Israel. I didn't cover the part from the airport to get here because we already covered that in the very first vlog. I'll put it somewhere in the upper corner of the screen. But let me show you a tour of the room here. This room has some very thoughtful feature for Jewish people on Sabbath day. Let me show you guys. On Sabbath day, if you guys don't know, you're not supposed to, do any kind of effort. So this room have this 3 button here that will help you. You push on Sabbath day, it will, do the ventilation, open the door for you, close the light on the time that you request it, and also the staff. Alright guys, so we just complete the grocery. It is very near the hotel. It's actually just in front of the hotel. You realize that English is the most common language used until you come to Israel. Everything it's in Hebrew. Yeah, and when it comes to little things like choosing what kind of flavor you want, you don't understand anything. For obvious things like breads, it's easy for you to know that it is breads, but these yummy pastry, they put some label on it, but you don't understand anything since it's in Hebrew. I think I just picked the one with no filling inside. Okay, wrong choice. Jade got us some snacks for the road.
I got us a pita because we want to eat over the sunset and it's not until a couple hours. So, and we slept and napped and we're hungry now. So we're just gonna snack a little bit.
We arrive at around 11, 12, checking in the room, and then we fall asleep for 4 hours.
Well, we have to nap because for us it's like middle of the night, right?
Jet lag.
Every time it is so funny to me because you know how pita are flat? Here they stuff it so much that it's a ball. It's just so big.
Wow. It is round instead of like a roll.
I know, it's so stuffed. Yeah, your mouth is not big enough for this.
No. Really delicious. You're gonna gain some pound for sure. Just arrived at the old Jaffa.
Where we're gonna have supper over the sunset, over the water. So now we're walking toward the water.
Wow, can you guys see the beautiful sun?
Yeah, the colors are amazing.
Yeah, it's about to set. We have to catch that one.
And here it sets right over the water. So it's just the most beautiful place to see, watch sunsets if you love it. Like us, we love it every day.
Jade's running. Okay, we don't have much time. We have to grab that picture. Look at this, guys. Beautiful sunset.
For the salad, it's included for the main course. When taking main course, it's a free all this.
Thank you.
It's a lemonade.
This is a lot of
Yes.
side dish. So time lapse is set. Everything's ready for the beautiful show. And look at all the food here.
Yeah, there's 20 type of salad that comes with your main course, and you have a pita, and the first pitcher of lemonade is included as well, and you have coffee and tea at the end, and a little dessert. But you have to choose a main course now. This is like a tabbouleh. Very fresh.
What is it inside?
I don't know. It's really good.
Lamb chops. For you?
Yes.
Wow, yes.
Thank you. Wow, this is beautiful.
Thank you. Beautiful.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. Yeah, it's a labrak.
How come you always order the very looking good meal?
Because we're next to the sea, and it's called the Oman in the Sea, and you're ordering meat.
Yeah, but look, I love meat, and this is some lamb ribs that I cannot cook at home because I suck at cooking. Okay, now it's time to enjoy that lamb ribs. It looks juicy. And let's take a first bite of this. It's like cooked over charcoal or something. The perfume of it.
I just love all the colors. The colors are just crazy. It's green and red and yellow. So try some lemonade. It has mint in it. It's like freshly pressed. Oh my god, it's so good. It's mint and freshly pressed lemon. Not too sweet, just a little bit of sugar.
Look at the size of this pita, guys. It's bigger than my face. Tel Aviv has something really good here. Is their hummus. It tastes so fresh and good. Look at this. Wow. The texture of it is like creamy, buttery, and the olive oil inside is just insane. Wow, guys, there's seriously so many kind of food here. I'm so full. What about you, Jade?
I have a question. Like, how did you end up with this piece of tabbouleh on your face, not even close to your mouth, in the middle of your face?
The sunset here, it's crazy, guys. We've been eating in between bites. Jade's going to take some picture.
It's so nice.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Wow, look at these. What are these?
It's an Arabic dessert. Name it's awami, like a bread fried with honey. Enjoy.
Oh, wow. Oh, it looks so delicious. Look at this.
It's bread fried with honey.
It's crispy outside and tender in the inside, and it tastes honey. Everyone. So this is it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the sunset dinner that we had.
Tomorrow we're heading to Haifa, the third largest city in Israel that we haven't visited yet and that you guys recommended to us. So if you like today's vlog, click on the like button, leave us a comment on where we should go next in Israel as well. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.